Alright guys, today from Chef John at foodwishes.com, we're doing lasagna soup. Our lasagna soup today is going to be joined by our focaccia that we made earlier. Find a link to that video right there. So we start with a large pot of salted boiling water. And when I say lightly salted, lightly salted. Once you've got your water to a boil, you add 16 ounces of lasagna noodles. Boil those for 4 to 5 minutes. Once you've got them boiled for 5 minutes, turn them off the heat and strain them off. Then immediately into cold water. Until they're cool enough to handle. And you're gonna cut them lengthwise. Then you're gonna shingle them as best you can on a parchment-lined baking sheet that's been coated with olive oil. Then you're gonna take your sheet tray of pasta, pop it into a preheated oven set to 475 degrees until you start to get some color and crispness on the noodles. Over high heat, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 pounds of ground beef, and 4 Italian sausages, 2 hot, 2 mild. Get you a wooden spatula or something so you can break all that meat up. Potato masher would work good in this case as well. You want to keep on cooking it over high heat for about 7 or 8 minutes without stirring it until it starts to brown on its own, in its own juices. Once you've got your noodles where they're sort of crispy on the edges and browned like that and kind of blistered, take them out, let them cool down, and then you're gonna cut them into bite-sized pieces. After about 7 minutes, you're gonna add your onion, garlic, salt, pepper, tomato paste, dry oregano, and red pepper flakes into the mix. Give that a stir until the onions become translucent, about 3 to 4 minutes. Once the onions have turned translucent, you're gonna add your marinara sauce, your chicken stock, and your water. You're gonna bring that to a simmer, reduce the heat to medium-low, and simmer for about 45 minutes. The next thing you're gonna do is shred about 6 to 8 ounces of mozzarella, 32 ounces of ricotta, and a cup of Parmesan Reggiano. Stir it all together into a bowl like this, cover it with saran wrap, and place it in the fridge until you're ready to serve dinner. We bring the soup back up to medium-high, and we add pasta back in. Give that a stir and let that go for about 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, you stir in 2 tablespoons of your flat leaf parsley. And you're almost ready to serve. And plating is as follows. You're gonna start with your cheese mixture, 2 scoops, and from there, 2 ladles. Finish with little parsley. You give it a stir to incorporate your cheeses, and you serve it with some focaccia. All right, guys, we'll see you next time.